on this episode. Good, okay?
Thank you, you too.
All right. I don't want to just tell y'all what to get. I want to show you guys that I actually purchased these things and sold them. Y'all won't believe what sold for me. Who is it? Who?
Front door.
What's up, Candy Crew? Come on in, come on. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Y'all want some water? I know I do, I'm thirsty. It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. Whether that's at a yard sale, estate sale, Goodwill bins, y'all know we trying to get that shmoney. Now, as I'm thinking back, when I first started this channel, I was going to the Goodwill bins. I went to Texas. Vegas.
I'm so sorry.
And of course, where I'm from, Los Angeles.
Get out the way, get out of the way! Get out the way!
Hey, you think no?
Move it back.
Today, we taking it back. We going back to the bins. And guess what? I'm gonna tell y'all the hottest items to get y'all that money. Let's get this video started. All right, Candy Crew, we made it to the post office. I sold those other child ice skates on offer up for $25. I believe I got this in a bag of like 2 pair of ice skates and hockey equipment. Not ice skates, hockey skates for kids.
Itself is like a...
How much are the skates?
Take that whole bag for $8.
Okay.
There's 2 or 3 pairs of skates, there's pads. I mean, some of the stuff still has its tags.
Oh, perfect. So this is the second pair, sold for $25 on offer up. Let's get this thing shipped out. All right, Candy Crew, we just made it to the Goodwill bins. Y'all, the parking lot is not that crowded. Let me show y'all. So it may not be nobody in here. We gonna see. Hello. Hi, is this someone's basket? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, this is, I like that.
All right, Candy Crew, when I first saw that golf bag, I was like, yes. But then the condition, I'm like, I can't do it. Speaking of golf bags, I recently sold a golf bag cover that I got from a yard sale. Check this clip out right now. Chasing them deals, let's see who's hot. Hello. Hi, how much are these 2 items?
I'm gonna get $5 for this one and $2 for this one.
Okay.
I thought I should sell this on Marketplace, but I said, you know, if I don't sell it, I will. But if I sell it, I like your shirt.
Thank you. And I'm selling it right now on Facebook Marketplace for a local pickup for $45. $45. Let's hurry up because he over there waiting. All right, let's go get it. It should be right. Uh-oh. Right there. There you go. Okay. Boom. Went straight to it, y'all. Let's see. Oh, it's hot, y'all. Hello. Okay.
Perfect.
Yes.
And then 45,
Yes.
right? All right. So we got 20, 30, 45.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
All right. I don't want to just tell y'all what to get. I want to show you guys that I actually purchased these things and sold them. So let me show y'all this blue golf bag that I got from the bins. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process, how I got it, how I flipped it, dipped it. Y'all know. Yeah, I know I love golf bags. As soon as I spotted this bag, I knew I had to purchase it. So the golf bag already sold on Facebook Marketplace, and here I am at USPS packaging it up. How much y'all think it sold for? Well, it sold for $90 on Facebook Marketplace plus shipping. Guess what? Then we sold another one, a purple one, that we got from the Goodwill bins. Don't be afraid to get the golf bags. Like, oh my God, there's too much to ship. Guess what? Do local sales. Look, I just did one right here. Check this clip out. Check it out. Keep in mind that everyone isn't a reseller at the bins. I saw someone put this golf bag back, and of course I snagged it. It was quite dusty, but I knew I just needed to give it some TLC to make it look brand new. Now look at it now, y'all. Well, I listed an offer up for $45. Somebody made me an offer for $40. And guess what? I'm gonna take it. All right, thank you. Have a great day. All righty.
Attention customers, just a reminder, please don't leave your shopping cart unattended for a long time. If you find the shopping cart unattended, we're gonna empty it out.
Always look for branded backpacks or crossbodies. This Timberland bag already had a buyer for $30.
Keep it up with you.
I spotted another shopper with Yeezys and Jordans in his cart. Oh, that's dope. Carhartt sweaters also do well for me, but unfortunately this one was damaged. I noticed the shopper with the one Yeezy shoe tossed it back. Was it fake?
It was real, but I can't find the other one.
Really?
I literally pushed through every fucking bin. Yeah, I couldn't find it. And one of the guys said it was from like a day and a half to like yesterday, I think.
Okay. So you don't want it?
I don't want it. You can get
Okay.
it.
Thank you.
Trust me, I went through everything.
Really?
Shit.
But I'm thinking of amputee, maybe.
Maybe. You know, they might pop up later.
But you got some good finds though.
Oh yeah, I got this one. I got these today.
Oh, those are dope.
Yeah, the fours. Pretty cool.
Good job, good job. You been here all morning?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I swooped that shoe up because guess what? I know in the back of my mind I could sell it. There's amputees, or there may just be somebody else that's interested in one shoe. I think I should get around 40 to 50 for it, but hey, no shame in my game. Get you that one shoe. If you can't find a matching shoe, just get the one. If it's a Yeezy or a rare Jordan, get it. Thank me later. Y'all won't believe what sold for me. I sold one Jordan shoe. It's one Jordan shoe from a Hoarder House. And if y'all forgot, he didn't want to give me this shoe. Let me show y'all that clip. Oh, wait a minute. Where the other one? Where the other one's at? Oh, goodness. I'm freaking out. Freaking out, y'all. Look, you freaking out. Huh? I'm trying to find a match of shoes for those.
Came back.
Huh?
You ain't got me out.
Okay, I'll get them.
got them back for him, baby.
But it's okay, I'll still get it. He didn't understand why I wanted the one shoe alone. So let me see how many pair of shoes I got. You guys, I also picked up this Target shirt. Employee shirts always sell well for me, like Taco Bell, McDonald's. So I always grab them when I'm at the Goodwill bins. You get you a quick dub or whatnot. I'm telling y'all all my secrets. Of course, I had to get the Army windbreaker. Somebody's gonna need it, and I'm gonna supply them with their need. I don't get too much of clothes, but when I do get the clothes, I get the fast sellers. Y'all. Now this is the part that I didn't miss at the Goodwill bins. When they attacked those bins. Y'all see? Did y'all see me in there trying to squeeze in there and grab me something? I was like, you know what? And it's hard for me to shop like that. I said this before. I cannot shop under pressure like that. I have to be able to focus. But luckily, I was able to get those Jordans. The condition isn't the best. Somebody will want them. They want to customize them, and I'm gonna be their supplier. I should be able to get like around 25, 30 bucks for them. I know I can't break the bank, but I know it's something. I spent $11 and some change. Y'all. I got on this coat because I didn't want my GoPro showing, but I gotta figure out a different way to wear it because eyes is hot. Can y'all see? Ooh, it's hot. Like I'm pretty sure y'all I could turn out $11 to over $100. And I'm gonna show y'all that as well. But go to the bins, y'all, especially if you like selling clothing, it's for you. Me personally, I sell clothing, but not so much. Like I said before, I'm more of a hard goods kind of person, but I love the bins. It's like, you know, it's that thrill of going. Even though it's hard for me to shop, I love that thrill. Like the attacking of the bins, y'all. But I'll be honest, I love yard sales more. I do. But Candy Crew, until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.